Hey everyone, welcome back to Mini Bike Mike's Garage. Well, who's here for update number 4, I think it is, on the Smokey Dollhouse, which, by the way, it's no longer the Smokey Dollhouse. It has earned a new name. It's now the Happy Cottage. So from this point on, we will be referring to the little house that we're renovating and the property we're renovating as the Happy Cottage. And we just finished week 5. And it's been a long 5 weeks. I'm about wore out. I'm cutting it out a little bit early today. It's, get my hands out of the way of the camera. It's 2:05. I gotta go get a haircut and do some things, but I thought I'd give you a quick update, let you know where we're at, kind of show you the progress that what we got going on. Some of you guys are enjoying this. Some of you could care less. I get it. But anyway, I'm gonna turn the camera around and let's take a look. Well, maybe the first thing you'll notice is it has color. She went with I don't know, what is that? I think it's called Tide Water. I call it teal. It's kind of a tealy green. I really like the white trim around the doors and windows. My daughter's not sold on it. I'll show you what she's thinking, what she's put on the house. She's went quite a bit darker. But hey, it's not my house. I'm not going to live here. It's going to be hers. So she started painting the block and the trim around the windows. Windows will stay white, but the trim around the windows, she's kind of gone with this darker blue color. So yeah, we got all the windows moved, all the doors installed. So they got, Mama Warner and my daughter, they got busy and started painting the exterior. Still haven't taken down that stupid awning on the front. It's so big and heavy, and I've been working by myself. I got to get my son over here to help me get that down. Obviously, she has not painted the trim around this. I think we want to try and it's got like a storm. It's got an outer storm window on there. See that? This part I think will come out, and I think we want to take it out and try and clean it up, get some of the where they just sloppily painted, try and clean some of the glass up, maybe reglaze it in some places. But anyway, oh, I forgot to show you on the back too. I tied up the guttering that was falling down, and I moved the downspout from the high side of the house to get to this side where everything falls off. We're getting some water in the basement. There's a really high water table here, and I mean, it hasn't rained for a while, and I've still got water seeping underneath the walls in the basement, and it's just groundwater. I'm pretty sure we don't have any kind of leak. Oh, slam that. See, I showed you that we took the wall out and got the beam up. Doors, windows. We're starting to throw up some drywall and separate some rooms. I've got to go get more of that. We've got doors installed. This is a door that will close off going down to the basement. There. And then this door is the door that kind of shuts off the master suite here in the hallway. This is that closet, and we got the wall up and got the pocket door in. Now I don't have the trim all around the pocket door, so it's gonna kind of float there. But got that done, and I've got trim. I got the. Come on, get back in there. Like I said, it won't do that when you put the trim around it. Got drywall over here. I do not have any over here because I have to do electrical yet for switches and so forth. But this will be a little half bath. I've got to move the toilet flange over a little bit, kind of center it, and then there will be a little pedestal sink in here. And that'll be obviously half bath for guests. And then this is the master suite, bedroom. Don't think anything's changed in here since the last video. And then this is the master bath. I got some creaky floors I need to go through, and but anyway, that's a door to the bathroom. Open it up. Got walls and some drywall up. This will be a vanity. Outlets. She's got some lighting that go where these blue boxes are. Don't have the electrical run for that yet. Toilet is in this little nook here. 60 by 36 shower pan, shower stall there. Clawfoot tub. And then this is where the stackable wash machine and dryer are gonna go. And I've got some electrical for the wash machine, but I don't have the 220 for the water setup stuff for the dryer and the water for the wash machine yet. And then over here, I haven't gotten a final design yet to know what I'm doing exactly here. This is gonna be some kind of closet area with a work table. So I'm guessing there's going to be some kind of wall here, a little table, sewing machine and stuff. So I gave her, she wanted to plug in there, but I'm not exactly sure what we're doing here yet. So and just construction clutter, but we're getting there. Yeah, there I got that guttering kind of held up. We got some quotes on getting all new guttering and fascia and soffits, so we may do that. But for right now, it's good enough. So there wasn't a downspout here. I moved the downspout that was on that end to over here. Oh, I was gonna take you in the basement. Let's go back in and do that. Because the reason I want to get rid of that downspout over there, because that's where the water seems to come in on the corner. I did get all of the, well, not all, I got a lot of the water filtration softener system plumbed and kind of set up. So we're on a well. I think I've mentioned that. And a well, and then city sewer. So we got a new pressure tank from the well. It comes up. This line goes to outside spigots, which don't need to run through the softener or anything like that yet. And this will get still cleaned up some. It's kind of, from this point up, it's just kind of half-assed put in there. But water's gonna come up. She's got some kind of little filter thing here, and then it runs across. And then there are two great big filters that will screw under there, then through a softener. And then the last piece I need to get is the water heater, which will then get plumbed out to the rest of the house. But here's what I'm talking about. I keep checking this thing for my fittings to see. I keep thinking I've got some kind of leak, but I can't find any leak. But the water is coming from underneath the corner and working from, it's higher back here and rolling down this way. So I don't have a leak. I just got water that's, still high enough outside that it's trying to get in. I got the same thing in this garage. This little spot right here, it just never seems to, it never seems to dry up. We went 3 or 4 weeks without rain, and it finally did dry up. And then when we got some rain, it showed back up again just a little bit. Not bad, but just a little bit of moisture. But all right, guys, I haven't done anything else really outside. Got all the brush piles, the big ones, cleaned up. I still have some little ones to mess with, but she still needs to paint and do trim work over here. But anyway, hey, I appreciate you following along. We'll get back to mini bikes, like I said, in a few weeks. But as you can tell, I got a few more weeks worth of work to do here. I got to get it to where she can live in it, and then maybe we can come in and kind of finish it up. Kitchen cabinets and some of like the shower stall and all that kind of stuff, it's not going to be in for another 4 or 5 weeks. So we'll get it to a point where she can move in, live in it, and then come back and finish some of those things. But anyway, thanks for following along. Appreciate it. See you later, guys. Bye.